As a self-published author, did you know that you can leverage ChatGPT to support your writing and potentially increase your income? Here are a couple of ways. Number one is generating ideas. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm and generate ideas for your next book or story. It can help you explore different plot lines, characters, or unique concepts. Number two, improving your writing. ChatGPT can assist you in refining your writing style, your grammar, your sentence structure. You can utilize it as an AI writing companion and get suggestions on how to enhance your prose and make it more engaging. Number three, editing and proofreading. After completing your draft, you can employ ChatGPT to help you with editing and proofreading tasks. It can catch grammatical errors, suggest alternative word choices, and provide feedback on overall readability of your work. Number four, engaging with readers. Use ChatGPT to interact with your readers on platforms like social media or your website or through your newsletters. It can help you answer common questions, provide updates, or engage in conversations, thus building a stronger relationship with your audience. Number five, content creation. ChatGPT can aid in generating content for your blog, website, or marketing materials. You can use it to create informative articles or even promotional material for your books. Number six, writing prompts. Share interesting writing prompts or challenges generated by ChatGPT on your blog or social media. This can attract other writers and readers to engage with your content, potentially driving traffic and expanding your author platform. Remember, while ChatGPT can be a valuable tool, it's important to complement it with your own creativity and judgment. It should not replace your unique voice and perspective. And these are a couple of ways in which you can leverage ChatGPT to really generate more income for you as a self-published author.